What's up? And thanks everyone for joining. I've had a fat grin on my face since collecting this beautiful little parcel that I got earlier. I've been trying to save what petrol I can, but this was definitely worth the trip. And it was a cool little adventure to go on this morning or this afternoon. What's the time? 3 o'clock. Yeah, this afternoon. I've been in the I've been watching blockchain technology for a long time. I've always felt it has so much potential in like so many various use cases. For those that haven't checked it out, check out my Why Blockchain video on the Noble Network YouTube channel. But something else that's always been something I've always appreciated is graffiti and street art. As far as I can remember, being a little child, coming from a small town that I was, the only street art was like really shit graffiti from the gangs, ISK, Italian Street Kids, and the various number gangs, which is all cool, and I love the culture behind it and tagging and all that. But when we drove to Joburg, I always remember my mom being so willing when I saw a cool piece of artwork on the street or even a dodgy park you'd never stop at. She'd pull over and walk through it with me and allow me to like just appreciate the artwork. I've never been artistically gifted, but I absolutely appreciate every art form, whether it's writing, creative art in terms of drawing, painting, graffiti, street art, even in terms of like coding. I feel that's artistic in its own right. So on the side here, you can see the various NFTs I own. This over here is Apple number 7, my first street art NFT and my first NFT from someone that I respected in the real world that used NFT technology and blockchain technology to create a collection. So over here, small over there, you can see it's owned by Bob Noble OG on OpenSea. That's the Ethereum marketplace. My NFTs are based on Solana, so they're verified on Solsty. This over here is chilling into 2020, chilling into 24. It's an NFT I got from Drip House. Shout out to Drip House, allowing creators to send their artwork to various people. And who knows what they might be worth one day when these people get a real name for themselves in this space. This is part of the No Face No Case collection from Crack the Toy is his handle as far as I understand. This one over here is very special to me. It was hand drawn by my ex, and we decided to turn it into an NFT. I never knew she had such artistic ability. When I saw this, I went and bought her a bunch of canvases and paint and a bunch of things. Like, I absolutely thought it was astounding. I would never be able to do that. You can give me all the time in the world. And she whipped that up in a couple of days just for art competition on one of the collections I was working with. And it's crazy because everyone else was doing AI art or silly computer generated art. So when I entered with this, I won the whitelist immediately because that's absolutely amazing. And as you can see, it's an NFT with me with a crown. I've got some dab in the one pocket and some mushrooms growing out the other pocket and a cactus on my shirt, as well as a little Erlenmeyer flask of dab because that's my logo. I don't have a sticker handy. There might be one somewhere here. But that's my logo. You should already know the Noble Extracts logo. This be the Noble Genetics logo. Those are also available as NFTs on the SoulSea marketplace with various colored gemstones and with crown and without the crown. So let's get on to the unboxing. I've made you guys wait. It's only been 4 minutes. I don't think anyone would complain. The average view time is really bad on my channel. If you're watching videos, why don't you watch to the end? Drop a comment, let me know. Woo. Most my art pieces that I have on my wall, the ones that are like art, I got the one was drawn in Italy. I think it was Rome on my 16th birthday. And then the other one was a spray paint artwork where they spread the spray paint and do that. I got a boat piece. That's from Egypt, and then I've got my name in hieroglyphics in Egypt as well. Those all framed and on my wall. This one will definitely be framed when possible. This is like Christmas, but better. Shout out to Falko Fantastic! Falko1 on some social media and Falko Fantastic on Twitter. Thank you so much for this. I will cherish it with my life and protect it with my life. Let's get on with it. Thanks to everyone that supported the channel. Shout out to Crypto Guy. This video feed and audio with this beautiful microphone would not be possible without Crypto Guy sponsoring the channel. I'm going to look at it before you guys get to. And it's black and white with pencil. It's my little elephant. Look, 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 look. Look at my little elephant. Hey, Falko, you're a legend, brother. This will be cherished by me and mine for as long as time exists. Look at his little trunk. Let me go. Which way? That way. Look at that little trunk. That's weird. This is opposite. I'll go this way and it's going out the screen. That's a very weird angle. But, oh my lord. I got my own elephant. Imagine having a piece from a street artist who usually, like, their artworks for the world. But you own one. Like, I've got a wall that I want one on when finances allow. When I send Falko a picture of the wall, his response is just, you better start saving. I don't own this farm yet, so I'm reluctant to put a piece like that on one of the walls. And no one would ever see it other than myself, which I don't mind at all. But when I own a farm, hopefully this one, I will be getting one of these. Man, I just want to keep the video open. Let's go. I'll look at this for 10 minutes. I'm appreciating it through the webcam now. You guys are lucky. Man, just look at the details. And just look at the expression of the little elephant. And look at him next to Apple. Apple's got a real world friend. Oh, wow. And the simplicity of, like, the pencil allows all the details to absolutely shine. Like, you look at that, it's simple but perfect. Every little thing has, like, purpose. Look at those lines over there. That's why I'm totally on the opposite side. Look at those lines in the tail. Like, it's like just a little scribble, but it's like a perfect scribble. Man. When street art comes to pencil and paper. I didn't see the signature. Let's give that a bit of a shout out. I can't read that. Wait, Falko Fantastic. Yeah, it's Falko Fantastic. Shout out to Falko Fantastic. You're an absolute legend, brother. Thank you so much. I will cherish this forever and a day. Legend. And with that, I'm going to end the video. I've got a pizza waiting. Wait, let me show that off quickly. Put this safely over here. For those in South Africa, if you're watching this, this is the pizza to get from Debonair's. We can argue which branch has the best pizzas, but this is the best pizza to get from Debonair's, right? So it's still warm. It's 32 degrees Celsius, so it keeps your pizza a little warm for a while. So this is the sweet chili chicken, but you swap the spring onions for diced tomato, and you swap the pepper dew for olives. It makes it 1,000 times better. Especially for this spicy ass motherfucker. But all this needs a little hot sauce, and you got yourself a winning pizza. Let's. Oh my god, Shout out, man. Falko Fantastic. Now I just gotta get this framed. If anyone that knows a framework artist that's willing to exchange their work and time for dab, because I'm all invested, it would be amazing. Thank you.